Good morning children. English Balabharati Standard 7th Unit 1 Subunit 1.5 Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. So students, in this lesson we will discuss various means of sending invitations inaugural function. This lesson gives us various examples of invitation. So let's understand these invitations. So here you can see the name of project is Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. So what is the meaning of this Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands? So there are people who expect help from you. They need you. Though they are not related to you, one must help others who are in need on humanity basis. As New Vision High School contributing to do, so let's see this lesson. Everyone in New Vision High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out the invitation. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. So what is the formal invitation? Formal invitation is normally a single sentence presentation in third person. Formal invitations are generally printed invitation cards. The invitation answers the questions who, whom, when, where, what time and for what the occasion, and names of invitee are also mentioned in that invitation. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, formal principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 am to 11 am. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School. V. S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Komal Shelar, Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. So children, you can see that main points of the formal invitations are that who is inviting people for the function, what is the program, date, time, venue, and last the polite request for attending the program. These are the main points for the formal invitation. Now let's see here. So you have to see this given formal invitation. Who is sending and giving the invitation? So here you can see that Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Vision High School, okay, and V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, Komal Shelar and Nitin Walke, Student Secretaries. So all of these are sending and giving the invitation. So the program is about what? It is about the inauguration of a project. The name of the project is Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. And who will inaugurate it? Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Who will preside over the function? Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital. So where will it take place? So it will take place in the Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. What time will the function start? The function will start at 10 am, okay, and it will end at 11 am. So how many names get mentioned in the invitation? So total how many names are here? 6 names are given in this invitation. So what is the next part now? Let's see on page number 17. So now this notice, it is written by principal, okay, and principal going to invite the parents also. So for that, and every student should know what is the function, about what, when, where, Okay, so for that now principal pasted that notice in the notice board. So let us see now what is that notice. Also, a notice was put on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function. So, what is written in that notice, that we will see. First of all, we will see that what is the notice. The format of a notice should include name of the institution, then authority, okay. Then title should be there, date, writer's name with designation, then that event, which event is event will be there, that it should be mentioned over there, then date, time, duration, place, venue, all these things should be there, and authorized signature and name and signature, it should be mentioned in the notice. So, we will see now this notice. Students of standard 7th and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hand at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, formal principal of New Vision High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday, 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Vision High School of Main Street, Girgaon. Children, on page number 18 you can see telephone conversation and oral invitation. So, what is telephone conversation? Telephone conversation means a conversation over the telephone, the use of speech for the informal exchange of views or ideas or information. So, what is the format of telephone conversation? That first one, name of the speaker, it will be followed by colon. Second one is each piece of information is written separately one below other, and conversation is written in direct speech. Okay, so this is the format of telephone conversation. Let us see now this telephone conversation, it is between teacher and news editor. Now, that is New Vision High School, they organized one function and they wanted to give their news in the newspaper. For that, now they are inviting to news editor. Receptionist, hello Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning, I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Shashank, please? Receptionist, just a sec. Teacher, thank you. News editor, hello Mr. Ajinkya. Shashank speaking, how are you? Teacher, fine. How are you? News editor, fine. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one, it should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, fine, I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you very much. So now page number 19, again one type is shown over here, that is also oral invitation, and now this message is passed by students to their parents. Student passed on the message to their parents. Here's a sample. Mummy, you and daddy are invited to our school on Sunday the 9th, said Samir. Now this message is passed by Samir to his parents. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes Helping Hands. There's a function to inaugurate in on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. That Samir told to his parents that it should be compulsory and you must come with me. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Mrs. Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, we are going to visit places and work for others, turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to their parents about it. Children, from this lesson we learn 4 different types of invitations, that are a formal invitation, a notice, telephone conversation and oral invitation. Now it's a time of homework. So what you have to do now? You have to prepare a formal invitation for a function you have arranged at home. Okay, and topic it maybe depend upon yourself. So in your invitation, this point should be clear, that are who is inviting people to the function, what the program is, the date and time, the venue means the place where the function will take place, and a polite request to attend the function. Next one, that is you have to write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend for the function. That function is arranged at your home. So this both invitations you have to note down in your classwork copy. Students, I hope that you understood the types of invitations and you will try to complete homework in your classwork copy. If you are having doubt, you may ask me. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.